So what is the number one thing that you should be doing right now in order to prep for the holidays to ensure that you are earning as much money as possible through the Amazon Influencer Program? Stick around and I'm going to tell you exactly that. In a matter of weeks, we are going to see sales surging on Amazon. Why is that? Because it's Q4 and the holidays are literally right around the corner. So what is the number one thing, the very best thing that you can be doing as an Amazon influencer in order to make sure that you are able to earn as much money as possible during these crucial holiday upcoming weeks? While there are so many seasonal items out there, and I do recommend finding some of those seasonal items right now, making those videos so they get up there before the holidays get too close, right? But the number one thing that I do every year before the holidays is I go back, look through my order history on Amazon, and find all the things that my kids received that previous year and make sure that I have a video on every single good opportunity product there. Let me explain a little bit more simply. If you have kids, you have a huge opportunity right now to go find all the things they got for Christmas or the holidays last year and get videos up for those items. If you don't have kids, that's okay. You can still do the same thing for yourself or for friends or family. So same thing, go through your order history, find the gifts that you gave to friends and family, find the gifts that you look around your house and find the gifts that you received for the holidays last year. What were some things that you loved that you received? What were some things that you loved that your kids received? And again, if you're not quite sure or don't remember, consult that order history. Now, if you need some extra inspiration or you're like, there's so many different things, where do I start? Here's what I do. I'll look through my order history, but the other thing I do is I just kind of walk around my house. I'll go look in my kids' room. I even ask my kids. I ask my husband. I'll go back and look at all the things that I received as a holiday gift and think, what were the things that I loved? What are the top things that my kids loved, right? And then I will go to Amazon and make sure, here's the thing though, you want to make sure that the opportunity is still there. And here's how I do that. I use a combination of two of my very favorite software tools. Number one is Jungle Scout and number two is Fluencer Fruit. Jungle Scout will give me the sales data for each product listing page. So here's a quick example of an item that sells, okay during the year, but as you can see, this huge sales spike comes in December. These are the items that you're looking for. These are the items that you want to make sure that you're prioritizing right now to make your Amazon influencer videos for and get that content up on Amazon as soon as possible. So it's there, it's ready, it's waiting for those customers to come along as the holidays approach, find your video, watch your video, and buy through you so that you earn those commissions. So using Jungle Scout and then Fluencer Fruit, which is going to give me the amazing banana score out of 100 in order to really assess where should I be starting? What products should I be prioritizing? So what I'll do is I'll go and I'll make a list in a spreadsheet of all of the items that I see that are good opportunities through Jungle Scout. And then I will run them through Fluencer Fruit and say, okay, how should I be prioritizing these videos so that I'm getting the best videos with the highest sales and the best video opportunities up first? Once you have done that, then you're just gonna wanna prioritize creating that content. Edit them and upload them to Amazon as quickly as you possibly can. Of course, make sure the content is great. If the content isn't good, people aren't gonna buy after they watch your video. So always maintain that integrity and quality with your Amazon influencer content first and foremost. But with that said, make sure that you prioritize holiday items, kids' toys, seasonal items, and your favorite gifts that you've given or received. Those should be the number one thing that you are focusing on right now in order to maximize your Amazon influencer earnings from now through the end of the year. And remember, people do still spend a lot of money on Amazon in January. Why? Because they're buying things with all those amazing Amazon gift cards that they've received for the holidays too. So for us, the holidays really do go through January. That's why it's important to start now, find all those holiday items, seasonal items, and definitely look through your kids' favorite toys, especially the items that they got last year from you, from friends, from family, and make sure you get those videos up. A lot of these product listings are not very competitive right now because they don't have great sales history throughout the year. But we do see that spike coming up for the holiday shopping season. So you be the first to find those awesome product opportunities. Get your video up first so that you can make sure that you are earning that commission. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and click subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber so that you can find out every single week when I post a brand new video all about how to increase your earnings and get those earnings up to $10,000 each and every single month with the Amazon Influencer Program. If you'd like even more additional help, you're looking to scale your earnings to that $10,000 a month, make sure you sign up for my free masterclass at smartbusinessmom.com/masterclass, where I'm going to walk you through my entire 5-step system from start to finish on how to become a 6-figure a year Amazon content creator. So subscribe, sign up for the masterclass, and I'll see you there.